Day 4 of opening our trades ngayon, no? To be honest, medyo hindi maganda yung open natin for today. I was thinking na since yung trend niya is paganyan, no? Siyempre, babalik din yan. But I just put it a tight stop loss din dito. And still, hindi ko pa rin nilalagay yung buong pera ko dito sa exchange na to dahil, ayun nga, gusto ko rin siya ma-check muna if talaga nandito yung swerte ko, no? That's why, ito yung nakikita yung equity sa akin, guys. But again, yung 100k to 1M challenge natin still stands up to today. Currently, ang losses na lang natin is nasa around 1.5%, no, since nakabawi tayo. Itong trade na to is gonna be good for us kasi nung nag-order tayo before, mangat naman siya eh. Medyo nag-profit din ng konti, but if i-close natin siya, hindi siya profit, no? Parang break-even lang siya. So, what's the sense of trading it, right? We're just waiting. If ma-stop loss tayo again, we just lose 1%, no? So, hindi mo alam eh, like this type of scenario, it can just go down like a bomb, bro. Like, what I'm just thinking right now is we need to make sure that we are able to trade on a daily basis, no? Na hindi tayo masusunog. Hindi naman tayo sa laging nagtitrade. Nakahanap lang talaga tayo ng position. Yun nga, parang ganyan. But I'm thinking din kasi, W siya, diba? Who knows? Basta ang TP target natin is nasa 700 ulit ng 107. So, yun na muna. Let's wait and see what's going to happen next. Only time will tell. Only time will tell.